Hello, my name is Mike Udell, and today I would like to present FX64 Software Solutions' new inventor add-in called LambdaSpect. LambdaSpect is directly implemented into Autodesk Inventor, and its purpose is the creation of radiation digital prototypes. Let me show you a practical example. We will design the optic unit of an LCD projector, simulate and analyze the propagation of the light within the system. In an empty assembly, we will use some auxiliary geometry and define one of its faces as an emitting surface. Any geometry like bulbs, gas tubes, and so on can be defined as a light source. Just click on any face in the system to define it as an emitting face. Once we have defined a light source in the system, it is automatically displayed in the list. You can change all relevant settings, complexity, intensity, propagation, tolerance, etc. for the selected light source object. The selected spectrum defines the physical properties and color of the light beams, and thus the kind of light source that is simulated. You can select one of the predefined default spectrums from the list, or define your own spectrum. For the light simulation during the construction process, we'll use just one light beam, which is sufficient for the optical geometry. When designing optical equipment, one of the often requirements is to filter specific wavelength ranges, typically red, green and blue, from common white light. To this end, we use the Optical Design Assistant functionality to quickly place some predefined coated mirrors to split the light. The direct access to the translation and transformation data allows you to design your digital prototype very fast. Finally, we'll need an absorber for the rest of the source light. If you look more closely, you'll realize that the LambdaSpect extends Inventor's basic glass definitions with a variety of additional properties. The glass types can be arranged in a variety of meaningful diagrams to help you find the best glass type for your system. Additionally, you have the option to place coatings on any face of your components. We are able to differentiate between simple coatings, like a plain mirror, and the more intricate advanced coating definitions. By specifying the reflection and transmission curves, you can define practically any type of coating. The filtered red, green and blue rays are used, for example, to light the RGB panels of an LCD sensor array. To merge those beams, we use X-Cube. The X-Cube consists of 4 prisms with different coatings that combine red, green and blue input rays into a mixed output ray. To redirect the blue and red beams into the X-Cube, we use 2 high reflective mirrors. By the way, you can put all of those optical properties, for example coatings, manually on your existing part and systems and change the way of their reflective behavior. To finish the design, we will add a simple lens at the end to project a magnifying image onto the screen. By using predefined components like achromatic systems, you are able to design your optic systems as intricate as you need them to be, maintaining the ability to verify and measure the results immediately. LambdaSpect uses detectors to measure results. We'll define one on a surface of some helper geometry which can be placed anywhere in the assembly. Just select any face to place the detector there. Let's update the light simulation to observe the flow and propagation of the light beams. Once calculated, you are able to see the results directly in your CAD system. With the detectors dialog, we can access all detectors defined in the assembly and review the results in different forms. By comparing the radiation maps, you can create different variations of your system and observe the results immediately. Furthermore, you can check the energy level or spectrum and highlight the corresponding ray for every collision. I hope this short demonstration has illustrated on how easy it is to create digital prototypes with LambdaSpect, incorporating the advantages of a fully integrated CAD system working in combination with a light simulation module. LambdaSpect can be used for various industries. If you want to take a closer look at the software, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will gladly explain the software in a webcast. Just make an appointment. Thank you for your patience on watching this presentation.